Back in the days, which let's be honest, like 2 years ago, we used Google for everything, right? But now what? If you're still using Googling how to start a career in cyber or GRC, you're already behind. Trust me, bro. Your first free tools are not Google. Now it will be Claude 3.5, Gemini, ChatGPT and all that. But don't just ask this AI tool how to become a GRC professional. That's a lazy stuff that you can do. Tell the AI this prompt. What is the prompt? I have a non-IT background, a BA degree, and I want to hit GRC in 6 months. So build me a weekly sprint about how to do that. So this prompt gives you the right information. Now, why GRC? Because while everyone is trying to learn how to break things, company also want the people how to fix them with the particular rules. This job demands a lot of paperwork, thought process, creativity, which aids off a cyber in a more effective manner. And let's be honest, this is also a money-making business. It has been like a digital architect instead of having a construction worker. Making sense, right? So that's something you should do. Okay, so roadmap are great, but talk is cheap. You get your hands dirty on that area. So by using a Google Colab, AI powered like Try Hack Me or creating a persona like that, you can also create a lot of best practices. In 2026, we are using AI tutors which sit next to your terminal. If you get any kind of error code, you can walk through the process to fix them. And this is what we called as a continuous feedback. It is like, having a PhD guy sitting on your shoulders 24/7, and honestly, it is better than a teacher sometime because AI does not get annoyed when you ask them the dumb questions, even 5 times, 10 times, and 15 times. Trust me, this is I also did with my practices. And so this is one thing we did. Now, second thing, once you learn something, you need to prepare the CV because recruiters are seeing those same CV with basic graphics and all that. They want to see the proof of work. So what is the next AI tool? Gamma. Use Gamma or Canva Magic Design tool to create your own threat intel report, GRC reports, and take the real world hack, a recent supply chain attack that use AI to help you to summarize the IOCs. Then put it in a personal site. Use a free tools like GitHub page when you publish all your data in that particular forum. When you send a resume, you're not saying, I know cyber. You are saying, look at this report I wrote on the latest 26 zero-day exploit. By the way, if you are worried about your English, don't worry. I'm telling you about the AI tool which can use to improve your writing skills. Use Grammarly free AI. It basically proofread your work and correct all things. And it make your GRC report look like they're written by the consultant with 10 years of experience. Fake it till you make it. No automate it until you are it. So you got the skill, you got the portfolio. Now you need who you know. You build the connections. Go to the LinkedIn, use an AI tool like Grok, Twitter to summarize the recent industry news or a specific influencer post, then send them a value first message. Don't ask for the job, man. Ask for the 15 minutes of advice. Oh, I really like your post. I believe you have a good experience on this project. Can I work with you? I need some kind of a message. So it's not creepy, it is prepared. A message. So in 2026, human connections is more valuable than ever everything else in automated. So be the person who use AI to be more human, not less. So now look, the door is wide open, right? So AI is level the playing field for everyone, whether you are a BA grad or career chain. The only thing standing between you, that career is the start button and your consistency. You don't need a fancy lab. You don't need any kind of fancy tool. You need a curiosity using a free tools, free AI. This is all from my side. Do let me know how do you find my video in a comment box. And if you find this useful, do share in network. And if you're new to the channel, do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to make sure you should not miss my future video in a similar topic. Thank you so much.